Fiat 600, today I will show you around the engine bay, including where the fuse box is and where the fluids go. So on the left side we have the windshield washer fluid, this yellow cap right here. Next to it is the coolant expansion tank. Always use the coolant specified by the manufacturer. And as you can see, there are minimum and maximum level markings. Here we have the brake fluid reservoir. Again, use the fluid specified by the manufacturer. In this case, it says .4 on the cap. There are also min and max level markings. Here you can see the fuse box. Move this red lock to open the cover. And inside you will find the fuses and relays. And now a few seconds from the engine bay. And that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more real workshop videos.